Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw an underwater sea. Let's start off by drawing a slightly wavy horizontal line at the bottom of the page for the sea floor. Then, up at the top of the page, draw some waves like this. Now we can start filling up the scene. Draw a really wavy line on one side that ends at the floor. Then, starting at the tip of that line, draw another really wavy line right next to it to make it look like seaweed. Do this 2 more times with different heights. And then 1 more clump of seaweed going on the other side. Next, draw a circle, a smaller circle, and an even smaller circle that zigzag up like this for some bubbles. Draw those a few more times, spread around the scene. Up here, we can draw a small school of tiny fish. Now, you can use your imagination to fill it up with anything else you can think of, like an octopus, a starfish, a sunken pirate ship, or even a great white shark. I'm going to add a treasure chest here at the bottom. If you want to learn how to draw a treasure chest, make sure you check out the link in the description for our other videos on how to draw this. And now you've got an underwater sea.